Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best healthy snow cone syrups are probably one of the most delightful ways to enjoy a classic summer treat without the guilt, offering a vibrant burst of flavor derived from natural ingredients like real fruit extracts and sweeteners such as stevia or monk fruit, ensuring that you can savor the sweet, icy goodness while staying true to your health-conscious lifestyle and avoiding the artificial colors and high-fructose corn syrup often found in traditional options, making them a perfect choice for families and individuals looking for a guilt-free indulgence. Number 5. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Machine Kit S900A. Create fluffy, snow-like ice right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making all sorts of frozen treats, from margaritas to iced coffee. Set up your very own frozen dessert bar at home. This countertop machine is designed for ease of use and simple cleaning, making it a convenient addition to your kitchen. This kit comes with everything you need to get started, including the machine, 3 delicious syrup flavors, cups, straws, and ice molds. You can use any ice, from cubes to homemade blocks. Each bottle of syrup can make about 8 snow cones, and the whole kit can produce up to 24 servings. You can easily adjust the flavor intensity to your liking. Operating this machine is straightforward, and its compact design makes it easy to store when not in use. It plugs into a standard outlet for convenience. Our syrups are made with your well-being in mind, free from common allergens like nuts, soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They are shelf-stable and don't require refrigeration. Beyond shaved ice, these flavors can add a delightful twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and more. Explore a variety of options to enhance almost any beverage or treat. What we like. This is the ultimate all-in-one solution for your snow cone needs. It comes with the machine, multiple syrup flavors, cups, straws, and pourers. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to start making snow cones at home for a party or family fun, this kit has everything you need right out of the box. What people say. When you use the molds, it comes out soft and fluffy, absolutely perfect, and grinds very smoothly. This machine is durable and works flawlessly. It's easy to use and provides a lot of fun, especially for kids. Number 4. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. Bring the taste of the tropics home with our Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Assortment. It's everything you need for a perfect frozen treat. This set includes 10 bottles of delicious syrup, 50 snow cone cups, 50 spoon straws, and 10 pouring spouts. You'll be ready to serve a crowd. Explore a variety of exciting flavors to delight everyone's taste buds. From fruity to tropical, there's a favorite for every palate. Enjoy classic favorites like tiger's blood, pina colada, and blue raspberry. We've also included refreshing cherry and lemon lime options. The included pouring spouts make it easy to add the perfect amount of syrup. Cleanup is a breeze with the disposable cups and straws. Whether it's a birthday party, a summer gathering, or just a fun treat, this assortment is sure to be a hit. Create sweet memories with every scoop. What we like. Get ready for endless flavor possibilities with this extensive syrup assortment. It offers a wide range of popular flavors and plenty of cups and straws to go around. If you love trying different snow cone flavors or are hosting a larger gathering, this option provides great value and variety. What people say. We have tried all the flavors and these are very good. The kids are loving the snow cones that we make with our Ninja Professional Blender and regular freezer ice dispenser. These flavors were a hit. I served a bunch of teens and a few adults getting ready for Bible class and they thought all the flavors were yummy. Number 3. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Precise Control Bottle Pourers, 3-pack. These pour spouts are designed to fit any standard size bottle. They measure approximately 2.75 inches tall and 1.25 inches wide, ensuring a snug fit for your syrup, liquor, or juice bottles. Cleaning up is a breeze with these pourers. They are made from solid plastic and are completely dishwasher safe, or you can simply wash them with soap and water. While perfect for snow cone syrup, these spouts are incredibly versatile. Use them for flavored syrups, alcohol, juices, olive oil, wine, and more. They are essential bar accessories for any home or commercial setting. Get the best value with this 3-pack of bottle pourers. They are ideal for snow cone syrup but also function perfectly as olive oil spouts or pourers for alcohol, making them a cost-effective solution for various needs. Whether you're hosting a party or running a commercial establishment, these pourers are a must-have. They are not just for snow cones. Use them for alcohol, vinegar, wine, juices, and olive oil to enhance your serving experience. Achieve precise control with these professional pour spouts. They are designed for smooth and consistent pouring, elevating your drink and flavor creations. What we like. Achieve the perfect pour every time with these professional-grade pour spouts. They are designed for easy cleaning and can be used for more than just snow cone syrup. If you want to elevate your drink-making experience, whether for parties or everyday use, and appreciate control and versatility, these pourers are a must-have. What people say. These fit the syrup bottles perfectly and did not leak. No side leakage when pouring over shaved ice. Functions very well and lets out just the right amount of product when pouring. They fit securely on the bottles, don't leak, and give great control over how much syrup comes out. It's so much easier to get an even pour without overdoing it, especially when making shaved ice for kids or multiple servings. The flow is smooth and consistent, and the caps feel sturdy and well made. They're also easy to remove and clean, which is a big plus. Number 2. Hawaiian Shaved Ice Syrup Pint 6-pack. Get ready for a burst of intense, fruity flavors with this 6-pack of sour shaved ice syrups. It's the perfect way to add a tangy twist to your favorite treats. Explore a variety of delicious sour tastes, including cherry, grape, blue raspberry, green apple, watermelon, and strawberry. Each one offers a unique and refreshing experience. These versatile syrups are ideal for making refreshing slushies and Italian sodas. Elevate your homemade popsicles and seltzers with these vibrant flavors. With 6 distinct sour options, you have endless possibilities to create custom beverages and desserts. Let your creativity flow and impress your friends and family. Experience the delightful sour kick that will tantalize your taste buds. These syrups are designed to deliver maximum flavor and enjoyment in every drop. Bring the fun of summer to your home with these exciting sour flavors. They are perfect for parties, gatherings, or just a simple treat on a warm day. What we like. For those who crave a tangy kick, this sour syrup pack is the perfect choice. It offers a selection of intensely flavored sour options that are fantastic for slushies, Italian sodas, and seltzers. If you enjoy a zesty and bold flavor profile in your frozen treats and beverages, this is the assortment for you. What people say. The blue raspberry, grape, and green apple are the most sour. The others' flavors are more sweet than sour. These syrups are just the right amount of sour for us. I don't like things that are so sour it burns your mouth, and these are balanced just right. The flavors are strong, not watered down. Number 1. Hawaiian Shaved Ice S900A Home Snow Cone Machine. Create fluffy snow right in your kitchen with this electric shaved ice machine. It's perfect for making margaritas, slushies, iced coffee, and any other frozen treat you can imagine, giving you your own icy treat station at home. This countertop snow cone maker is simple to operate and clean. It's also portable and easy to store when not in use, making it a convenient addition to your home. The complete party kit includes the machine, 6 bottles of delicious flavor syrups, snow cone cups, spoon straws, and pourers. You can use cube ice, bagged ice, or even make your own ice blocks. Each syrup bottle can make about 8 6-ounce snow cones, and the entire kit can produce around 50. You can also use the flavors to add a dash of excitement to other beverages and desserts. Our syrups are shelf-stable, nut-free, and free from common allergens like soy, wheat, dairy, starch, flour, and egg products. They have a long shelf life and don't require refrigeration. Explore a variety of flavors like cherry, grape, blue raspberry, and more. Give your blender a break and add a new twist to cocktails, sodas, coffee, and other drinks. What we like. Experience professional quality fluffy ice at home with this top-tier machine and flavor kit. It's made in the USA and includes a great selection of 6 popular syrup flavors. If you're serious about creating the best snow cones and frozen drinks at home and want a reliable, high-performance machine, this option is designed for you. What people say. The machine is holding up well. The directions give really helpful advice like letting the ice sit out for a few minutes before starting so the outer bit is softer and easier to get going in the machine. The syrups that come with this kit give a great variety to choose from. The machine makes nice, fluffy shaved ice and this kit comes with so many flavors, I doubt we could use them all in a year, even with regular use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.